I love using this phone holder for the shower because it can fit this phone, which is a Galaxy S23, and also my other phone, a Google 7 Pro, a big phone with cases on it too. I use this to listen to Spotify in the shower or even watch videos if I'm taking a bath, but this can fit in here very well. And if you see, this just drops right in with the case. This has a MagSafe case, and this is going to be fitting in here pretty solid. Clicks in and the scroll screen works. Now you see all this room extra. Yes, you can fit a bigger phone, like I said, a Pixel 7 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, Samsung S23 Ultra. That will fit as well with the case. So these come with multiple mounting stickers, and I like how easy it is. You should stick this on your shower wall and it clamps on like that. And of course, this arm pivots, rotates. You can do 360 rotation. You can do like standing like that or whatever you need to for your shower, and it works really well. And we will check how it works in the shower. So if you want to shower and listen to Spotify, you can do that, no problems. Or if you're trying to use this for YouTube, you can watch videos as well and have it on landscape mode. It works fine just as well. This works fine, no problems, no water leaks. And yeah, the screen works really well. So I enjoy using this to be able to listen to music on the go and change the songs when I want to with this phone holder.